and welcome to IACET's video tutorial series, where we show you how to successfully navigate and utilize the IACET portal and its features. This topic is on locating and utilizing the Accreditation Management System message board. To begin, ensure that you are in your application's messages. If you are unsure how to find this page, please view our tutorial topic on navigating the application overview card. Depending on when you access this page, you may or may not already have previous messages. If you do, they will be recorded below with details regarding the date and time of posting, who posted it, and to whom it was addressed. You have two choices when it comes to composing a message. You may either reply to an existing message, thus continuing an existing conversation thread, or you can compose a brand new message. To reply to an existing message, find the reply button in the top right-hand corner of the message. As a demonstration, we will click reply and type the message, and then simply hit reply. And your reply to the conversation thread will appear just below the original message. If you would like to start a new discussion, scroll back up to the top and click on the blue bar that says New Discussion Thread. Tick the box of the designated recipients your message will go to. So we will send a message back to staff, and then click on the text box to compose your message. Please note the variety of formatting tools that are available for your use. So for our message, we are going to insert something here, clean it up a little bit, make sure that the formatting is how we like it. And then when you are ready to send your message, just simply click the send button. These messages are in order of date or when they were posted. So note that the oldest messages will be at the top of the page, and as you continue to scroll down, the newer messages will appear below. This concludes our topic on locating and using the Accreditation Management System message board. Thank you for joining today, and please contact the Accreditation Department with any questions that you might